what we have today is how to use the words Mr. and Mrs. Ready? Let's get started. So, for example, here that we have Mr. Let's say the first name is here. You've got the surname, which is the family name. So if, for example, the first name is Yahuza, Yahuza is a name, and male, not female. And the surname is Murtala. Murtala too is a name of a male that is not female. So if I say Mr. Yahuza, that is the first name, Murtala, surname, that is Mr. Yahuza Murtala. I call him by that name. It is correct. So Mr. first name, surname is correct. If I say if I call him Mr. Murtala, this time just using the surname. This too is correct. So Mr. first name and surname, correct. Mr. surname, correct. But here, if I say Mr. Yahuza, which is the first name, is wrong. So when you are using the word Mr., you use the Mr plus the first name plus the surname, or you use Mr plus the surname. But do not use, it is wrong to use Mr plus first name. It's very simple. You can think of more examples. Let's now move to Mrs. So here too we have the first name, the surname. So for example, the first name is Maimuna. Maimuna is a female name. It is not a male. And the surname is Sadiq, for example. So even if we have Maimuna Sadiq, not that one. This one is an example. If I should say Mrs. Maimuna, which is the first name, plus Sadiq, I call her by Mrs. Maimuna Sadiq. This is correct. If I should just say Mrs. Sadiq, just Mrs. the surname, this too is correct. But if I should say Mrs. Maimuna and keep quiet, this is wrong. So you use Mrs. first name plus surname, 1. Mrs. surname, 2. But Mrs. first name, wrong. I think this was very simple, wasn't it? That's it for now. Thanks for now. Bye for now. Until next time.